Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see a simple recipe made with carrots, that's carrots fry. It is a simple, easy, lightly cooked, healthy, dry recipe. This nutritious, flavorful carrot fry complements a simple South Indian meal like plain rice with rasam or sambar, or it can even be given as a healthy snack in kids' tiffin box to their schools. So let's begin and have a look at the ingredients. Here I have taken 4 medium-sized carrots, washed, peeled and cut them into small pieces. Few curry leaves, 1 dried red chili, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves for garnishing, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, oil 2 tablespoon, 3 tablespoon fresh grated coconut, 1 cup water, that's 250 ml. All the ingredients are given below in the description box. Do check out. Now let's take a pan. Into it add 2 tablespoon oil. Once the oil is heated, add mustard seeds. Let it splutter. Then add cumin seeds. Saute it. And add curry leaves. Break the red dried chili into half and add it. Roast all the ingredients together. Now add chopped carrots and saute well for about a minute. Now cover the lid and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 minutes, let's give it a quick stir. Cover the lid and cook for another 2 minutes. Now add chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder and salt. Saute it well. Now add ginger garlic paste. Saute it for a minute or until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes off. Now let's add 1 cup, that's 250 ml of water. Stir well. Close the lid and allow it to cook till the carrots are soft and the water dries. It's been like 5 minutes now and the water is still left. So let's cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. been 10 minutes now. Let's check the carrots with the help of a fork. It's nice, soft and cooked well. At this stage, we will add our grated coconut. This is fresh grated coconut. Saute well for a minute. At last, add some coriander leaves. Mix well. Cover the lid and keep it on low flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, our carrot fry is ready to be served. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you like the recipe. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Do share with your family and friends. And if you're new to my channel, hit that red subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified when I'm online. See you soon with my next recipe. Until then, stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.